Hello and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we came across a dryer that once you press the start button it just clicks. Right now we're checking the relay to make sure it has proper voltage that sends power to the motor. Now we're going to move the red prong to the blue wire. Once you press the start button, you should receive 120 volts on your multimeter. So if you have 120 volts output, that indicates your main control board is good. 95% of the time it is a thermal fuse, which breaks the current to the motor. I recommend if you do take the whole dryer apart to buy an idler pulley and a belt. The reason why, if the belt breaks, the belt switch will not allow current to the motor. And most of the time what breaks the belt is the idler pulley. However, like I stated before, 95% of the time it is a thermal fuse. Here's a picture of the belt and the idler pulley. Just check comments below and I will leave the part numbers for all these items. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.